नमस्ते टू ऑल। आज मैं फिर आपके सामने उपस्थित हूँ क्लास 8 के मैथ्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर के साथ, जो कि मिड टर्म एग्जामिनेशन DAV स्कूल्स के द्वारा कंडक्टेड किया गया था। इसके क्वेश्चंस का मैं सॉल्यूशन के साथ यहाँ हूँ। एक एक करके क्वेश्चंस का सॉल्यूशन हम लोग यहाँ देंगे और आप इस सॉल्यूशन के द्वारा आगे की परीक्षाओं की तैयारी कर सकते हैं। तो जैसा कि you are able to see the questions. First, find the number of non-square numbers lying between 40 square and 41 square. You know that these types of questions we can solve by by applying the formulas 2 into n. N what is? Here is the 40n and 41n plus 1 whole square in the questions. Okay. N means 40, n plus 1 means 41. So direct the formula is 2 into n. 40 into 2, that means 80. Some students find the solution of that question just by a squaring of 41 square and 40 square and subtract them. In that type of the solution, it is wrong because 40 either 41, their square also included. So the right answer is 40. In question number second, evaluate 102 square by using suitable identity. Then you know that a plus b whole square, so 102 can be expanded 100 plus 2 square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. We will solve it. It will be 100 square 10,000, 2 square 4, 2 into 100 into 2 400. Their sum is 10,404. So right answer is 10,404. Question 3 given. Write the first 4 triangular number. You know that triangular number form the triangles. Just 1, 3, 6, 10 are first 4 triangular numbers. We can just the points that form the triangles, and by just we can find the triangular number by applying the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Just like second triangular number 2 into 2 plus 1 means 3 by 2. 2 cancel, so 3. By this way we can also find out the next triangular number. Question 4. The cube of 0.6, it means 0.6 into 0.6 into 0.6, 0.216, their cube. Question 5 is given. If x and y vary inversely and y 45, find x when constant of variation is 9. You know that it is given, the question is inversely, x and y are very inversely, and you all of know that if inversely, then their product of x and y will be k constant. Y is given x into 45 and k constant term is also given 9. If we send 45 into RHS, it will be 1 by 5. Answer. Question 6. Discount is always calculated on mark price, MP. So here should be MP. Question number 7. Root 125 y square divided by 5 square. Root 125, we will factorize 125, 5 into 5 into 5. If we make the pair of 2 5s, 1 5 come out and 1 5 left in under root. So 1 5 cancel, and y you know that in division a squares subtracted x to the power m by x to the power n, then x to the power m minus n, and y to the power 0 is 1, so root 5 will be answer. Question 8. A letter is chosen from word probability. What is the probability that is a vowel? Total number of letters in probability 11 and number of vowels 1, 2, 3, 4. So the probability will be 4 by 11. Just like probability it is a vowel means 4 by 11. 4 number of vowel letters of vowels and total number of letters 11. Question 9. A listed below are the temperature in Celsius for 7 consecutive days. How we find the range of data? Range means you know that upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit is 5, lower limit is minus 5. Their difference is 5 plus 5, 10. Question 10. Write the degree of polynomial. First we arrange in a standard form and first we arrange the polynomial in a standard form and highest power of variables in this polynomial is 5. So degree will be 5. Okay. Now next questions related to graphs from statistics chapters. What is the most common age groups? The highest bar is the group with 30, 35. So right answer is 30, 35. It is case study question. What is the number of teachers who are more than 35 years age and less than 40? More than 35 and less than 40. It means their bar shows 8. So total 8 teachers whose age in these groups. How many teachers are 40 years or older? 40 and above. 40 and above it is 5, 4 and 3. 5, 4, 9, 3, 12. 12. So right answer will be 12. Which group contains the same number of teachers? It is not clear, but 20, 25 their height is 3 and 50 and 55 also height is 3. So 20 and 25 and 50 and 55 their heights of bars is same. So right answer is that. What are the class mark of 35 and 40? Class mark means just average. So 35 plus 40 by 2, 75 by 2, it means 37.5. So right answer is 37.5. Now in second केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन, इसका वीडियो मैं ऑलरेडी बनाया हुआ हूं और आप हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर देख सकते हैं. सचिन गोज टू शॉप, देयर द क्वेश्चंस गिवन. मार्क प्राइस ऑफ वॉशिंग मशीन and their discount 10% and mark price of microwave 5000 and their discount 20%. Selling price of washing machine, again we are discussing here. Here is only answer we have provided because their video already we have. You can see that selling price of washing machine is 20,000 minus 10% of 20,000. So right answer is 18,000. Discount on microwave 20% of 5,000. Answer will be 1,000. Ratio of selling price of washing machine and microwave. Selling price of washing machine 18,000 and selling price of microwave 5,000 minus 1,000, 4,000. 18,000 by 4,000. The ratio will be 9:2. The total SP of washing machine and microwave. SP of washing machine 18,000 and selling price of microwave 4,000. 18 plus 4,000, 22,000 will be right answer. Sachin sold the washing machine at loss of 12%. Selling price, by just we apply the formula, loss 12%. Selling price of washing machine we will find out by the applying formula 15,840. For more details, you can see the case study question related to profit, loss and discount on our channels. Question number 13. Find the value of root 225 by 576. A square root of 225 is a square root of 256 is 16. A square of 16 256, a square of 24 576, and by cancellation we can get the 2 by 3. 16 by 24 is also right answer, and by just dividing by 64 you can also get 4 by 9. There is square root also 2 by 3, so it is right answer. Question 14. Factorize p square minus 23p plus 132. First we should split the middle term minus 23p. Minus 23 means 12 plus 11, because 12 into 11 132 also. So we have written 12 plus 11. If that come out from the bracket, it will be minus 12p and minus 11p. From first and second term b can be taken common, p minus 12 left. From last two terms minus 11 taken common and left p minus 12. So from both terms p minus 12 taken common and p minus 11 left. So the right answer is p minus 12 into p minus 11. Question number 15. Divide the polynomial by 2x. That question can be solved by two methods. By just individually, by this way, by each term will be divided by 2x, and 2 3 is 6 x, 1x cancel, x left. Either you can just find out x base same, so power will be subtracted 2 minus 1 1. 2 4 times 8, 1x cancel, x square left. 2 5 times 10, 1x cancel, 1x left. 2 6 times 12 and x cancel. So right answer is 3x 5x, like term. So 3 plus 5 8x minus 4x square plus 8x plus 6. By second method we can find out by long division method. 2x minus 4, 2 4 is 8 minus 8x cube. If we change the sign in subtraction, then it will be cancel. Second step, 2 8 times 16 into x, 16 x into x, x square. It is also can be cancelled. 12x, 2 into 6, 12x. So remainder is 0, and here is the quotient minus 4x square plus 8x plus 6. Both way is right, and you can solve that question in two ways. Question number 16. The exterior angle of a parallelogram is 100. Find the angle of left angles of parallelogram. One exterior angle of parallelogram 100. So just angle C we can find out by the alternate interior angle, angle C, CBE. Alternate interior angles, so angle C 100, and angle C and A is equal, because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So angle A is also 100. Angle ABC plus CBE, both their sum will be 180 by linear pair. So ABC is also, if we send CB, that means 100 into RHS, it will be subtracted 180 minus 100, 80. So ABC is 80, and ABC is also equal to angle D, opposite angle of parallelogram. So angle D is also 80. Angle A and C 100, and angle B equal to angle D equal to 80. Question 17. 36x equal to 78 square minus 42 square. A square minus B square, we will expand it. A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. 78 plus 42, 120. 78 minus 42, 36. If we send 36 into RHS, 36 cancel, and 120 is answer. All questions one given in 17. Factorize x square plus x minus xy minus x. So two ways for finding the factorization of that question. One way is if we arrange x square and minus xy and y and minus x taken by common, then left x minus y. Here minus 1 can be taken common because no extra term. So minus taken common, x positive, and plus 5 minus taken common, so left only minus y. X minus y, x minus 5 taken common, x minus 1 left. Second way is also if we do x square and minus x at making pair and minus xy and plus y left. If we take x common, x minus 1. If we take minus y common, x minus 1. X minus 1, x minus 1 taken common. What left? X minus y. So same. Both answer is same. So both ways are right. Now question 18. Write the Pythagorean triplet if one term is 14. So you know that the three terms of Pythagorean triplet 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. 2m equal to 14 we have taken. M equal to 14 by 2, it means 7. Now m square minus 1, 7 square minus 1, 49 minus 1 equal to 48. M square plus 1, 7 square plus 1, 49 plus 1, 50. So required Pythagorean triplet is 14, 48, 50. Okay. Now in question number 19, cube root of 8 by 125. Cube root of 825 individually we should find out the cube root of 8, cubes of 8, cube root of 8 and cube root of 125. 8 can be factorized 2 into 2 into 2 and the prime factorization of 125 5 into 5 5. So it is both are the 3 times. So by making the pair 1 2 will come out and 1 5 will come out. So 2 by 5 is answer. Later on we will describe this again because less times for describing the questions. Now questions 20. The mark price of a shirt is 940. Shopkeeper allow a discount of 15%. Find the discount. So discount equal to, here you can see that mark price 940, discount 15%, discount equal to 15% of 940. By calculation we can just find out the 141. Now question number 21. Find the smallest number by which 4860 should be multiplied so that the product is perfect cube. So first we should find out the prime factorization of 4860 and we will make the pair of triplets because it is given to find out the perfect cubes. Here is only 2 times 2, 3 times 3, but 2 times 3 is also left, 1 5 left. For making the pair 1 2 is needed, 1 3 is needed and 2 5 is needed to making the pair of triplets. After that at last we will multiply it 2 3 times 6 5 times 30 5 times 150. So 150 will be right answer. Question 22. A card is drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card drawn is a red card. You know that total number of cards in the playing cards 52. So probability of red card. Total red card 26. 26 red, 26 black. So 26 by total number of cards. By cancellation we will get 1 by 2. Probability of a black queen. Total queens 4 but black queens only 2. So 2 by total number of cards 52. 1 by 26 by cancellation we will get. Probability of face card. Total number of face cards are 12. King, queen, jack in each suites. So total 3 into 4 12 face cards. 12 by 52 by cancellation 3 by 13. Question number 23. Using division of polynomial state whether 2x minus 3 is a factor of that or not. So first we should divide the polynomial by 2x minus 3. Before the dividing, we should arrange it in a standard form. First, maximum powers term, after that less powers. The polynomial is 6x cube minus x square minus 10x minus 3, and divisor is 2x minus 3, 2 into 3 and x, so x square, 3x square given as a quotient. It is binomial, so terms will also come binomial. 3 into 3 9, minus into plus minus, x square. In subtraction we change their signs. Positive will be negative and negative will be positive. One term cancel. By this way we can find out the division, and remainder will be 0. If remainder is 0, so yes, divisor 2x minus 3 is a factor of 6x cube minus 10x minus 3 and minus x square, that is given in questions. We have arranged here in a standard form. After that we have divided. Now next questions, express 4 by 25 m square minus mn plus 25 by 16 n square as a square of a binomial. Means first we should factorize it. After that evaluate by putting the value m equal to 5, n equal to 8. Here you can see that 4 means 2 square, 25 means 5 square. M is also of a square of m. So 2 by 5 m square, and 25 by 16, 25 a square of 5, 16 a square of 4, n. So 5 by 4 n whole square. Now it is clear a square, it is clear b square. Now formula is minus 2ab. 2a instead of a 2 by 5m, instead of b 5 by 4n. And just 2 cancel, 5 2 times 2 cancel, 5 also cancel, so m into m left. So it is right, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So the identity is a minus b whole square. Just we have written here identities. Now we should put the value m equal to 5, n equal to 8. 5 cancel, 2 left, 4, 2 times 8, 5 into 2, 10 left. 2 minus 10, minus 8, their square is already, minus 8 square, 64 will be right answer. Okay, now question number 25. Find the value of 7396, and just using their value we should find out the square root of 0.7396 plus a square root of 73.96. So first, what will be the square root of 7396? We can just find out the square root of 7396 by long division method, either by factorization method, and the square root of 7396 is 86. Here decimal is 4 digits, so the square root also decimal before the 2 digits. Here is the decimal before 2 digits, so it means in a square root, so the decimal will be before 1 digit in a square root. Now we will add and I will get 9.46, that is the right answer. Next question, in our question we can also find out the cube root of 0.027, 0.3, cube root of 0.008, 0.2, a square root of 0.09, 0.3, a square root of 0.04, 0.2, minus 1. If we cancel the decimals, 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus 1. 2 cancel, 3 cancel. What left? 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now 26, here is given one table of 52 persons, their weight and number of persons related to their weight. Question: what is the lower limit of class 50 and 60? So lower limit is 50. What is the class size? Upper limit minus lower limit, their difference is 10, so class size is 10. Class mark of class 40 and 50. Class mark means just average of that class. 40 plus 50 whole by 2, 90 by 2 means 45. Question 27. By selling 35 greeting cards, a shopkeeper loses an amount equal to the selling price of 5 greeting cards. Find the loss percent. इस क्वेश्चन में अधिकतर स्टूडेंट मिस्टेक्स कर देते हैं, सो हमें थोड़ा सा ध्यान से इसको देखना चाहिए. Selling price of 35 greeting cards, we can let 35 rupees. Either you can take 35x. Loss is also equal to the selling price of 5 greeting cards. So 5 rupees means 1 rupees of 1 greeting cards, 5 rupees of 5 greeting cards. CP, we know that loss. So selling price plus loss will be CP, cost price. 35 plus 5 rupees, 40 rupees. And loss percent, loss by CP into 100. By cancellation, we can find out 12 whole 1 by 2%. That is the right answer. स्टूडेंट इसमें मिस्टेक्स कर देते हैं. यहाँ पर 35 ही ले लेते हैं CP के फॉर्म में, या इसको माइनस करके लेते हैं, जो कि मिस्टेक्स हो जाता है. तो ये ध्यान देने की बातें हैं. क्वेश्चन 28. 52 men can do a piece of work in 35 days. In how many days will 28 men complete the same work? That question can be solved by direct and inverse variation and also by unity method. Here we have solved the question in direct and inverse. Number of men 52, number of days taken 35. If number of men 28, what days can be taken? X we have let. तो यहाँ पर 52 मैन थे तो 35 डेज लिया गया. इफ़ नंबर ऑफ मैन्स reduced मीन्स घट गया, देन नंबर ऑफ डेज शुड बी इंक्रीज्ड. सो इट इज केस ऑफ इनवर्स वेरिएशन. वन इंक्रीजेज, वन डिक्रीजेज. So it is inverse variation. In inverse variation, x into y remains the constant. So that 52 into 35 equal to 28 into x. If we send 28 into LHS, it will be cancellation. We can find out 65 days. So 65 days is the right answer. Now question number 29. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are in ratio 3:8 and its perimeter is 110. Find the sides of the parallelogram. So first we will let the adjacent sides of a parallelogram. Let the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram 8x and 3x. Their perimeter is given 110. Perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth, just like as a rectangle, because opposite sides of parallelogram also equal. 8 plus 3 11, 11 into 2 22x. If we send 22 into RHS, 22 into 5 100. So 5 centimeter is the value of x. Side AB CD is also equal. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are also equal. 8 into value of x 5, 8 5 is 40. Same way AD equal to BC 3x. That means 3 into 5 15 centimeter. That is the right answer. Question 30. Divide the polynomial 2x to the power 4, 8x to the power 3, 4x 7x square plus 3 by x plus 3. So first we should arrange in a standard form. Divide, we should divide by x plus 3, and also we should verify by applying the formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here we have first arrange the polynomial, divide by x plus 3, and quotient we have get 2x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 1, and remainder is also 0, so you can check it. And after that there checking divisor into quotient plus remainder. It is divisor, it is quotient, and remainder is already 0, so first we should multiply it by monomial into the left polynomial, again plus 3. We will multiply and add the all like terms, and at last we will get the required dividend. So it is checked. Question number 31. The histogram to represent the following data is given. Here is the ages of teachers given, different groups, and number of teachers given. So it is table, age group given, their number of teachers given. So it is the given to draw histogram to represent the following. For drawing the histogram, ages of teachers, number of teachers depend on the ages. So ages of teachers taken on x-axis on this way, and number of teachers you should take on y-axis, and by this way we can draw the histogram. 32. The mark price of a TV given 32,500, and Diwali discount 20%. Shopkeeper make after that giving the discount of 20%, 30%. Find the cost price of TV. So it is the mark price and it is discount. After the discount, what is the price? MP of a TV given 32,500, discount 20%, discount 20% of the mark price. So 20% of 32,500, and by calculation we can find out 6,500. Selling price equal to MP minus discount, that is 26,000. It is the selling price of TV. Cost price, by applying the formula selling price into 100 by 100 plus profit percent, that is 30. We will solve and cancellation, we can get out 130, 10 cancel, 13 into 2, 200, 200 into 102, after 4 zeros means 20,000. So right answer is 20,000. Question 33. A train 360 meter long is running at a speed of 45 km per hour. What time will it take to cross a 140 meter long bridge? That question also can be solved by in the direct and inverse variation and by unity method also. But here in class 8 given direct and inverse variation, so we will solve that question by this way. A speed of train 45 km. First we convert it into meter per second. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. And by cancellation 1000 by 3600 we will get 5 by 18. So directly we have multiplied by 5 by 18 to convert meter per second. By cancellation we will get 25 by 2 meter per second, means in 1 second 25 by 2 meter, in 1 second 25 by 2 meter. Distance in meter, time in seconds. Here given 360 meter long train, 140 meter have what time will take to cross a 140 meter long bridge. So what distance to cover for train? 360 their length and 140 length of bridge. Total distance 360 plus 140, 500. So 500 meter distance to cross for train. Now it is in direct variation or inverse. In 1 second that distance. So for that distance we need more times. So it is case of direct, both increases. In direct variation x by y equal to k constant. So x by y, here is also x by y. 25 by 2 whole by 2 means 25 by 2. We will do cross multiplication, and by just cross multiplication we will find out efficient 25 into RHS. X equal to 40 means 40 seconds. Next question in OR given 33. ABCD is a rectangle in which DP and BQ are perpendicular from D and B respectively on diagonal AC, so that ADP congruent to triangle CBQ, angle ADP equal to angle CBQ, DP equal to BQ. (33) It is the ABCD is a rectangle. It is diagonal, perpendicular from D and from B. Just like DP is perpendicular on AC, BQ is perpendicular on AC. Here is given to congruent that triangle and that triangle. So here AD equal to BC, opposite sides of a rectangle. 1 DPA and angle BQC both will be right because both are perpendicular, so each 90 degree. D angle DPA equal to angle BQC is 90 degree. Angle 1 equal to 2 by alternate interior angle. Why we have taken alternate interior angle? Because ABCD is a rectangle that is also parallelogram. In that AD and BC parallel line, so angle 1 and 2 is angle 1 and 2 are alternate interior angles. Now we can say that triangle ADP and triangle CBQ are congruent by triangle AAS rule, means angle side. Angle side. Here is also angle side. Either we can find out the left third angle by applying the angle sum property. Then it can be also written angle side angle. Both way is right. So both triangles are congruent. Now if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will be equal. So here angle ADP and angle CBQ will be equal by CPCT and DP equal to BQ also by CPCT, because we have already know that if the two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts, either angles, either sides will be equal. So it is the last question 33. मैं यहाँ पर जल्दबाजी में क्वेश्चंस को एक्सप्लेन किया हूँ क्योंकि कम समय में सारे क्वेश्चंस को एक्सप्लेन करना था. इसको फिर से इंडिविजुअली समझाने के लिए अलग से मैं वीडियो बनाऊंगा जिसमें कि एक एक स्टेप को समझाया जाएगा, एक एक कंटेंट को समझाया जाएगा. यहाँ हमने इतना टाइम में 33 टोटल क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस किया आउट ऑफ 80 मार्क्स. सो थैंक यू. यह देखने के बाद हो सकता है आपको कुछ जानकारियाँ हासिल हो और आपको कुछ स्टडी में हेल्प हो. यही मेरा मकसद है. ओके, थैंक यू.